Have you ever dreamed of a European adventure that genuinely brings every generation of your family closer? Imagine the joy of grandparents, parents, and children, creating shared memories that span across lifetimes, from marveling at ancient history to discovering vibrant new cultures. Multi-generational travel offers unique opportunities for connection, heritage, and pure delight. But let's be honest, organizing a trip for diverse ages and interests can often feel less like a dream and more like a daunting challenge. From coordinating complex logistics to ensuring everyone feels included and comfortable, the planning can quickly become overwhelming. At Mythic Horizons Travel, we believe your family's European quest should be seamless, inclusive, and truly unforgettable, without any of the stress. This guide is your first step to making that dream a reality. Beyond just sightseeing, multi-generational travel is a profound opportunity. It's about forging new shared histories, deepening family bonds, and experiencing the wonders of the world through the fresh eyes of a child and the rich wisdom of a grandparent. But while the dream is incredible, the reality of organizing such a journey can quickly become overwhelming. Balancing diverse interests, energy levels, mobility needs, and ensuring every single person feels engaged and comfortable across a large group presents unique logistical puzzles. That's where the joy can sometimes get lost in the planning. At Mythic Horizons Travel, your journey is truly bespoke. We don't offer off-the-shelf packages. Instead, we meticulously design every detail to reflect your family's unique spirit, interests, and dreams. Leveraging a deep passion for European history, myths, and ancient architecture, we craft itineraries that resonate profoundly. We believe travel should be a deeply personal story, not just a trip. Imagine your family exploring hidden gems that truly capture their imagination, from majestic historical sites to charming local secrets. Experience authentic culture, not just observe it. We ensure every moment fosters shared discovery and genuine connection. Perhaps it's a hands-on culinary adventure, learning cherished traditions, or tracing your family's heritage through ancient villages, connecting with your past in a profound new way. Our aim is to curate an adventure where every family member feels belonging and wonder. We bridge generations through shared experiences, whether marveling at breathtaking landscapes or savoring delicious local flavors. Your adventure will be more than travel. It will uniquely foster authentic immersion and lasting bonds that deepen with every unforgettable experience. This is travel, reimagined for your family. Ready to transform your family's next European vacation into a truly legendary quest? Take the first step towards a worry-free, inclusive, and deeply personalized adventure that you'll cherish for generations. Your dream European journey awaits with Mythic Horizons Travel. Ready to transform your family's next European vacation into a truly legendary quest? Take the first step towards a worry-free, inclusive, and deeply personalized adventure that you'll cherish for generations. Your dream European journey awaits with Mythic Horizons Travel.